Hi kids, do you remember this letter B? It makes the sound B, B, B. Say with me, B, B, B. Today we have to do the practice of letter B. How to write letter B. Just start from here, from the number 1. Go down, 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 down. Here, make a one straight line. Pick the pencil up. Go back on the first number. Start from here. Make a belly. B, B, B. Say with me, B, B. Again, pick the pencil up and start from here. Make a one more belly and stop here. You see, this is letter B. Say the sound B, B, B. Now it's time to write a small letter B. Start from number 1, go down, make a one straight line. Pick the pencil up and start from here. Make a tummy, belly, and stop here. This is small b, capital B, small b. B, 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 banana, B, B, ball. Now see what we have a fun today. Today we are going to write the 3-letter words here. You see the pictures? First we have to write the words here and then we will do the coloring. Yes! We are going to write the 3-letter words here. So, can you guess which picture is this? Yes, this is a bag. Bag starts from B. B is for bag. B, B, bag. So now start writing the words which start from B. Start with the small b. Go down, down, down. Stop here. Pick the pencil up. Make a tummy, belly. Oh, this is small b. B, A, G, bag. This is bag, B-A-G, bag. So now let's see which picture is this. Oh, you see this is a very long bus. This is a school bus, so it's a bus. Bus starts from B. B, small b, U, S, bus, B-U-S, bus. B-U-S, bus. B makes the sound B, bus. B is for bus. Now you see which picture is this. This is a box. Box starts from B. Box starts from B. Go down, make a belly. B, O, X, box. B-O-X, box. Oh wow, see the picture? Which picture is this? This is bat. Yes, this is a bat. Go down, make a belly. B, A, T, bat. B-A-T, bat. B-A-T, bat. This bat you see in the night time. Oh, see who is here? He is a boy. Boy. B is for boy. Just go down, down, down. Make a belly. B, O, Y, boy. B-O-Y, boy. B is for boy. B, boy. C. Here is the B. B is for bee. B, E, E, B. Oh. Now it's time to color in these pictures. Can you do the coloring with me? To learn some colors also, you see these colors we are using in these pictures. Let's learn the colors also. This is yellow color. This is silver color. This is green color. This is black color. This is sky blue color. This is sea green color. This is red color. This is orange color. And this is pink color. Yes. So now we are going to color in these pictures. Let's see which color we are going to use in the bag. Bag. We are going to use this pink color in this bag. So this is sea green color. Sea green color also we are using in bag. So now it's time to color in the bus. So in bus we are using this yellow color. The school dress is ready. Now it's time to color in box. In box we are using this orange color. Now we use the silver color and bat. See, bat is done. Now it's time to color in boy. We are using the sea green color in the pant. It's a boy. B-O-Y, boy. Now we are using the black and yellow color in B. Our pictures are done. So now we are going to repeat again. Capital B, small b. The sound is b, 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 b. Say with me, b, 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 b. Bag, b, b. Bus, b, b. Box, b, b. Bat, b, b. Boy, b, b. Bee. Again we have to read B-A-G, bag, B-U-S, bus, B-O-X, box, B-A-T, bat, B-O-Y, boy, B-E-E, bee. Bag, bus, box, bat, boy, bee. So these are the words which we have learned today. The capital B, small b, and these words. Now stay tuned for the letter C. Tomorrow we'll learn the letter C. Like, subscribe if you like this video. If you learned some words, please like and subscribe. Bye bye.